Hey everyone, and welcome back to the ranch. In this episode, we'll be pouring the concrete beam next to the drain we placed a few months ago. We've poured this reinforced beam to protect the drain for whenever we drive on it with heavy equipment. For those of you that haven't seen the previous video, we created a sand bed, polished it up, let it harden out. Then it was ready to place the drain sections, which we've glued together with silicone. After that, we were ready for the formwork, so let's dive straight in. Placed the formwork off camera, put some reinforcing steel in the middle. Then it was time to start mixing and getting this beam poured. To mix all of our concrete, we used the Mammoth 1000 liter or 200 gallons concrete mixer behind the tractor. It's real easy. We can fill it up with the excavator, as you can see. I mean, it just makes life a lot easier. For the mixture, we use about 4 buckets of gravel that comes from a local stone quarry, a bucket of sand, and then off camera I put the bags of cement in the excavator bucket, just so it's a lot easier to put it in there. We put about 350 kilos for one batch of 1,000 liters. And then last but not least, you need to add your water, of course. How much? Well, just eyeball it, make sure your consistency is right for the concrete you will need to pour. Don't add too much water at once, just let it mix a little bit, check if the consistency is right, add a little more if it's needed. On this particular mixer, you have these doors or valves underneath. So again, we use the excavator bucket to take the concrete out and then start pouring with it. This was the first time we used the vibrating needle to get the air pockets out, and it works great. We used to tap the formwork with a hammer, and this works way better. It's made for it, but yeah. We're very glad we can use that now, thanks to my uncle who gave it to us. Been a couple of days. Took away the formwork. It's looking good. So I'm very glad we were able to do that in between the frosty days. It's cold again, I put on an extra layer. So right now we can advance on the formwork for the actual slab, which we will pour in several pieces, just because we mix the concrete ourselves, and yeah, there's only 2 of us to finish it. We're doing it in several stages, that way we can have a nice clean finish. That will be for when it's not freezing anymore. Anyway, this will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.